In this video, we will talk about a non-traditional way of killing cancer cells. This video doesn't aim to encourage you to substitute chemotherapy, surgery, and radiation therapy, which are the modern way of treating cancer. We aim to make you understand that aside from these modern therapeutic options, diet can make a difference in worsening or improving your condition. It seems quite obvious that the onset of cancer depends upon you. It depends on how you live your life and with whom you live, because the social environment also affects your lifestyle choices. The German biochemist Otto Warburg, a Nobel Prize laureate in 1931, postulated the hypothesis that cancer cells grow and generate energy by consuming a tremendous amount of sugar. The Warburg effect refers to the phenomenon in which cancer cells consume more sugar compared to normal cells, and the rate of glucose uptake dramatically increases, and lactate is produced, even in the presence of oxygen. Otto Warburg and colleagues concluded that depriving cancer cells of energy, both glucose and oxygen, could kill tumor cells. He then later proposed that the root of aerobic glycolysis is the dysfunctional mitochondria. Why do cancer cells need sugar or glucose? Glucose contains carbon, and carbon is a source of cellular processes needed to support the proliferation of cancer cells. Excess carbon from sugar is used for the synthesis of nucleotides, lipids, and proteins, which are biomolecules needed for the structure of a cell. The Warburg effect generates an environment that favors the proliferation of cancer cells. The question is, how can you apply this knowledge to killing cancer? Simply, you have to deprive those cells of sugar. In fact, a very well-known dietary approach could target the Warburg effect: the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet involves consuming 70 to 80% fat, 5 to 10% carbohydrate, and 10 to 20% protein. I know that you are thinking about the food pyramid you've studied in school, suggesting that you have to eat a lot of carbohydrate-based foods like pancakes, bread, and pasta, and eat lesser fats. But that food pyramid leads you to suffer from different diseases, including cancer. The ketogenic diet reduces circulating glucose levels, eliminating the benefits of glycolysis to cancer cells. It has been reported that patients in ketogenic diet therapy for 3 months, who have been tested by a university in Germany, showed improvement, including stable physical condition, tumor shrinkage, and slowed tumor growth. Different studies have reported that there is a very common herb that can be found in your kitchen, which contains an active component that inhibits the Warburg effect. This herb is Curcuma longa. It contains curcumin that inhibits the uptake of glucose by cancer cells, thus starving it to death and depriving it of proliferating. It's important to talk to your doctor or other professional before beginning any sort of supplementation or treatments. Feel free to contact us if you want us to give you the contact information of professionals who work with our network.